Avpro is proud to present this Gulfstream G550, serial number 5012. The G550 is an ultra-long-range business jet that set a new benchmark in aviation design, comfort, technology, and speed. For its superb range, best-in-class cockpit, advanced technology, top-rated customer support, and many more outstanding achievements, the G550 was honored with the Robert J. Collier Trophy, the most prestigious award in aviation. Serial number 5012's 16-passenger configuration features a forward FAR 135 crew rest, crew lavatory, and a right-hand full-service galley. Moving into the cabin is a 4-place club with pull-out footrests followed by a 4-place dining and conference arrangement on the left-hand side opposite a credenza. The aft cabin offers facing divans for seating up to 8 passengers, and finally, an aft passenger lavatory. The interior items replaced in the September 2017 refurbishment are the club seat and conference group seat leather upholstery, carpeting, mid-cabin curtain, and galley floor covering. Other features include Airshow 4000, 5 6-inch Rosen monitors in the cabin, sidewalls and crew rest, Aircell ATG 5000 with GoGo Vision and JetWave Ka band worldwide satellite internet connectivity. The Gulfstream G550, serial number 5012, presented exclusively by Avpro. Avpro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.